Welcome to our channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to add overlays on your video by using InShot app. Let's start. At first you have to open your InShot app, then tap on the video option. In here you guys can choose the drafts, or you guys can add a new video by tapping on new. In here you guys can choose your videos that you want to work with, then tap on the check mark. Now if you guys want to add an overlay, then choose where you want to add it, and then you guys can see here option PIP. If you tap on here, then you guys can choose your videos or photos to use it as overlay. For example, if you want to add an overlay video, then choose the video, and here you guys can zoom it like this, and then if you want to split it, you guys can also do it by tapping on the video and then tap on the split option. And here you guys can also delete the other parts if you don't need them, and then if you tap on the video, you guys can also edit the overlay video, and here you guys can also trim the video. And here if you guys want to add animations to your overlay video, you guys can also do it by tapping on here, and then you guys can also add filters. If you tap on filters, now tap on the check mark, you guys can also put mask on your video, like which shape you want to add. You just have to choose it and then tap on the check mark. You guys can also use blend option, then you guys can adjust it as you guys want. And then let's see the video. You guys can also add other overlays if you want. Just choose the part and then tap on PIP option, and then you just have to follow the steps. And right now tap on the check mark, and in here to save the video you have to tap on save option. This is how you guys can add overlays on your video by using InShot app. See how easy it is? We put lots of effort every day through videos to make your life better. If it helps, please subscribe and like. Until next time, bye bye.